Hello everyone, greetings of the day. So this is the English version of the video which is already recorded by Mohan sir in Telugu with the title Took Online Coaching Through Video Recorded Lectures for 4 Times, Think Before You Join Online Coaching. So in this video Mohan sir said that a student sent a mail to Mohan sir requesting for a concession for online video recorded lectures. Already he took online coaching for 4 times, 2 times in other institutes and 2 times in masterminds, and again this time he wants to take coaching one more time. So to that student Mohan sir advised not to go for online video recorded lectures, rather attend classes physically, attend face-to-face classes, because these video recorded lectures are not intended for everyone. They have their own set of audience. For the students who are lacking self-discipline, who are lacking self-control, these online classes are not at all advisable. And especially for the students at CA Foundation and CA Inter, these are not at all advisable. Of course, there is an exception for the student at CA final level who are attending their articleship along with the CA final coaching. For them, that may be suitable to some extent. But for the remaining students, especially in courses like CA and CMA, these online classes, especially these video recorded lectures, are not at all suitable. Because you lack a lot of things in these video recorded lectures. You lack discipline. You may not watch the videos completely. There will be wastage of time. So you may be going on and on and on, buying the lectures for every attempt. And that will be very much helpful to the institutes, but that may not be helpful to you as a student for your success. So think twice before taking a decision. Always take a wise decision. And Mohan sir is giving an elderly advice to the students to always go for face-to-face classes. And we are not insisting only to join face-to-face classes in masterminds. You may join wherever you like. If you like to join in masterminds, yes, you are welcome. You can join with us. Or if you want to join elsewhere, yes, you can, but always prefer face-to-face classes rather than online video recorded lectures, which is not at all the right thing. Of course, for some people, for some kind of students with lot of motivation, with lot of self-discipline, these classes are required. And here you may think that at masterminds, only face-to-face classes are available. That is why they are discouraging these video recorded lectures and online classes. No, at masterminds, we have complete online batches, we have video on demand service, we have face-to-face classes. But for the welfare of the students, as an elderly advice, Mohan sir is insisting the students to join face-to-face classes anywhere, not only in masterminds, anywhere. But the most important thing is join face-to-face classes. That is very much helpful to you. And you may be convinced by some people with some hidden agendas to take video lectures, but ultimately that is not going to help you. And here we don't have any hidden agendas. Things are very clear. Basing on the nature of CA and CMA courses, we are advising the students always to go for face-to-face classes rather than taking online classes and video recorded lectures. And parents and students should think wisely before taking the decision, because you cannot put your career into risk. You cannot put your success to risk by taking this kind of video recorded lectures where you lack interaction with the faculty, where you lack the competitive spirit, you will miss the peer group learning. These all things that you cannot find in video recorded lectures. So always be careful, think twice, always think wise and take the right decision, and always choose face-to-face classes for your bright future. This is the advice that is given by Mohan sir to that particular student. Thank you.